Hi there! In the lesson about noodle soup, I have showed you how to use bone broth as the soup base, right? Remember? Well, what if you don't have any bone broth in the fridge? I mean, let's face it, we don't always have time to even make bone broth. So what do? And you are really hungry, but you want your noodle soup. Well, there's a solution. There's a solution for everything. And in this case, just use water. But how do you make the soup taste good? Well, my suggestion is to use the Eat Right Chef secret marinade. Just add a teaspoon or two into your water and the soup base will automatically transform into a very flavorful soup. And another way is to add spices that are either beneficial or neutral for you. Delicious. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this noodle soup lesson and not only enjoy watching it, but I hope you are inspired to make your own using all the ingredients that you have prepared in your fridge or freezer. Alright, bon appetit, and don't forget, do your homework. Bye!